In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1102 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to copy a link that I'll be giving at the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to copy it. Once you have copied it, please navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for Chrome. So once you have typed for Chrome, all you need to do is you need to wait until a best match should appear here in this window before we proceed. Once it's here, all you need to do is you need to double tap to it so that you would be navigated to that specific browser, which is the Google Chrome. So once you are here with the Google Chrome, please directly navigate to the Windows search bar here. Make a right click and click on paste. Once you have pasted the link that you have copied, okay, click on the enter key so that you would be navigated to the result. So eventually you would be able to see a mega file page. All you need to do is you need to wait until you can see a download option aligning to the specific file that contains our printer driver, which is the HP LaserJet P1102. So from here, you need to proceed with this download. Click on it. In a few seconds, it will now start on the downloading process. So kindly wait until this would be finished. Process would depend on the internet speed that you are connecting as of the moment. Anyway, it contains only 4.8 MB, so it will only take less than a minute to download. So once downloaded, directly navigate to the upper right side of the screen, click on this download icon and click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Now, once you are here, please make a right click to that file, click on this cut, okay. Once you have ensured that you have copied it, close the window. Here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. Now, once you have moved the file here, you need to extract it or unzip it by double tapping, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So if you have a WinRAR tool, you can use that to extract the file. Or if not, then you can double tap to it as what I have said earlier, and in that way you would be able to unzip or extract the file. So kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Once here, please navigate directly to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. So in this time, we will now start on the installation of our printer driver since we have already downloaded the file that contains our printer driver. Now here, please navigate to the left pane and locate with Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, please locate with printers and scanners and you will get an option like this. Click on it and kindly wait until you can see an option to manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it, add manually, and you will get a window like this. Please proceed with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Once you've set it, click on next and go with have disk. Click on browse. And since our extracted file has been there, click on it and then scroll down on the list, double tap here, and then you can choose either of this zip file. Okay, so once good, click on OK, and it will be placed here. Please choose for P1102. Click on next and click on next and click on next as well. So it will now start on the installation. Please wait until this would be finished. It will only take some time. Once good, click on next, and you would, if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box, or you can check uncheck it if you would want, if you wouldn't want to, okay, if you would not want to. So please click on finished, and there you have that. You would be able to install the HP LaserJet Professional P1102 in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.